Hi, I'm Dr. John Johnson with 1 Minute Closer. Well, I'm in the Garden of Gods today in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and I want you to look at the size of these rocks. These are truly enormous rocks, and believe it or not, some people try to climb them. And did you know that obtaining your degree sometimes is going to feel to you like a journey up a huge rock like this? Look at that. Is that ever dangerous? There are two things that I would want to do if I was going to climb such rocks, and I haven't tried it. There are two things that I would for sure do. One, I would find someone who had done it before and ask them to teach me some lessons. They know the way. And that's the way it is when you're going to a degree program. Your professors or your mentors are your guide, and they're going to help you find the way. You want to listen to the advice of those that have gone there before, those that can direct you. Don't try to do it alone. The second thing is something that I would not do, and that is I would not listen to the advice of those who have fallen off of the rock. Yes, there have been lots of accidents on these rocks, and there are people that have tried and failed. And there are people who started up the rock and then they started talking to other people, and other people told them it was too hard and that it would take too long and that it would take too much energy, and they stopped. Those people like to give advice, don't they? And they do in degree programs too. Those kinds of people love to give advice, not good advice. Stay away from the fearmongers. Stay away from those who, if they haven't climbed the mountain themselves, work closely with those that have. And now you're 1 minute closer. If you enjoy my videos, subscribe to my channel. Take care now.